The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall, and I want to say big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I saw a video that is out on social media that shows of something that had happened in Jamaica where persons are seen using something that is considered to be bait tied onto a piece of string to lure a crocodile out of the water, right? I'm not sure if it is a pond or what. However, it shows of them using the bait on the string to lure the crocodile out of the water. Now, based on what I've seen in the video, it would seem as if they're doing this for fun or they're taking it for a joke, you know? And this video is out on social media where some people are saying that these persons are brave, and some people are saying that what they are doing is just stupid. Now, I would like to point it out that something like this is very dangerous, and no one should do something like this. You understand me? But anyways, I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it and you will have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about, and you can also tell me what you think. Alright? But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that for those who might not be able to handle seeing something like this, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Video, make sure you catch it. Give me space for moving, please. Before me gone. Give me some of the camera, Danny, man. Huh? Danny, give me some of the camera. Yeah. Give me some of the camera, man. Yeah. Yes, Danny, make sure you're catching me. You know I let this boy come out of the pond. Yeah. And he's so big. Yeah. Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Watch your I got it, man. You know I let this boy come out of the pond. And I got him. Danny, I got him, man. I got him. I'm doing a good job.
My work, you know.
Grab him tail, Danny.
No, you're mal.
No. He might go run in that water.
Right now, me that's the most dangerous spot right now, guys. I told them to be on.
Bring, smell the meat, you know.
Yo.
Yeah, smell the meat.
Young.
Yeah.
The coffee good. Young.
Mission accomplished.
Yo, but the boy are big.
Alright, now I can't hold a seat, you know.
You make him walk, man. Walk him conquer him fuck. The two people are big meat.
Mosquito, them big to them fat, boy. Yes, the truth. Can't go for a lot.
Oh, boy, you never know what's this about. Yeah.
No. Don't hurt.
No hurt him.
Come the max, man. Come the max.
Yeah.
You say you love me.
Bumbo clot.
You say you love me, Max. Come the max. No, you can't name Max. Your name Sheila. No, man.
People look at that boy are big. Yo, what is?
Give me some of the camera, man.
Come on. Yeah. Come girl, turn it out.
Bite a piece, man.
Get him up now, come turn it.
Smell the meat, you know.
Yeah.
I'm tired now. Oh God, you're tired, Sheila. Come and touch it. Come.
So what I'm saying, viewers and subscribers, they use the bait to lure the crocodile out of the water. And that animal is a dangerous animal, right? A very aggressive animal at times. That animal can just leap at you. quick as possible, quicker than you think. You see what I'm saying to you? It's dangerous. You see me? And I would like to warn everyone out there, you know what I mean? Don't play with alligators nor crocodile. Don't play with these animals. They are dangerous. You see me? Yeah. Alright, now, I'm not doing this to disrespect anyone. And I want to say big up to those persons and big up to everyone out there. But I'm just pointing it out that it is very dangerous and you should not do something like this. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Alright. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about what you just saw in this video. As some people on social media, there's a lot of things have been said about this video on social media. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Well, anyways, until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?